Good morning, everyone. My name is Mehdi Hassan Shakils, and my student ID is 231000442. Today, I'm pleased to present our assignment, Decentralized Multinational Corporations Allow Autonomy Through Either Product Areas or Geographics. This presentation forms a part of module Research Skills in Actions, Driving Strategic Management Success. We focus on how Coca-Cola decentralized organizations model operating across diverse regional and product lines, and it supported its global dominance in the beverage industry. Let's move on to the next part, which is abstract. This study investigate Coca-Cola use of decentralized as a key of drives of its international growth. Our secondary data analysis focus on how decentralized autonomy growth and across geographics and product lines. And it's enabled to Coca-Cola to become more innovative and it's sensitive and efficient. We also explore some of the operational challenges that comes with the decentralized management, and its ultimate goal is to provide like a Coca-Cola and offers recommendations that can further strengthen and these approaches. So let's move on to the next part, which is introduction. So multinational corporations often face the challenge of balancing global efficiency with the local representative, and Coca-Cola is an example of how decentralized strategically and its combined central brand management with regional executions. So we aim to Coca-Cola decentralized structures and its assesses and its effectiveness drives applicable lessons for the other MNCs. And thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Farooq Rizwanullah, and today I'm going to represent slide number 4, which is about problem statement and research question. While decentralization allows companies like Coca-Cola to be agile and locally relevant, it can also introduce a coordination and efficiency challenges. Maintaining global standards and unified brand messaging while granting regional autonomy is a complex balance. To address this issue, our case study is guided by three research questions. First of all, how has Coca Cola operationalized decentralization in a global structure? Second is what are the specific benefits and challenges of this model? And the third one is how has this approach influenced Coca Cola overall market success? Now I am going to slide number 5, which is about critical literature review. Our literature review covers key theories and empirical studies on a decentralization in MNCS. Burlitt and Goshwal classic framework urges that decentralization enables frames to balance global integration with local responsiveness. Mentonsberg also noticed that in a dynamic environment, decentralization fosters adaptability. Yep emphasized the strategic value of accommodating regional differences through a decentralized structure. Johnson and colleagues link autonomy with invention and international expansion. However, Perlard and Dawes remind us that decentralization can lead to inefficiency if it's not managed well. Finally, Smith's case analysis on Coca-Cola shows how local bottler autonomy facilitates rapid market adaptation. Thank you so much.
My name is Alias Sham Heather, and I'm going to represent slide number 6, which is about methodology. So, in research approach, we get qualitative secondary data analysis using comparative case study design. The data source we get from peer-reviewed journals, Coca-Cola annual reports, industry publications such as IBIS World case studies. So the data analysis we get thematic analysis focus on organizational structure, local responsiveness, and market performance. So all data sourced from credible, policy accessible databases and referenced using Harvard format. So in slide number 7, we get results and finding. So in case number 1, we get results that Coca-Cola has successfully implemented a decentralized organizational structure operating through a franchise model with over 225 bottling partners worldwide. So in case number 2, we get in Asia Pacific, Coca-Cola modified its flavors and packaging to increase its market share, demonstrating how regional bottlers tailors marketing products and distribution to local needs, which is reference from Smith 2021 and Statista 2023. And in case number 3, decentralization allows the company to remain agile, adjusting operations to local socio-economic, regulatory, and cultural environments. This is also supported cost reduction through a lean context-specific operations. And in case number 4, to increase confidence and brand loyalty, Coca-Cola's local bottlers in Latin America world with suppliers on community marketing and sustainable packaging, which is reference from Coca-Cola at BC 2023. And thank you so much.
My name is Rafat Ali and my student ID 230295354. I describe slide number 8, discussion of finding. Coca-Cola decentralized structure clearly enhance local responsiveness and customer relevance. Regional managers have the freedom to innovate, which help the response quickly to market changes, especially in times of crisis like COVID-19. However, decentralization does come with risks, such as inconsistent message and fragmented operation. Coca-Cola addresses the risk through global standards and rewards brands oversight along for the local flexibility with the control system. And my next slide, slide number 9, recommendations. To strengthen to decentralization approach, we recommended Coca-Cola enhance to digital integration across regional units to improve coordination and knowledge sharing. Second, the company should continue developing leadership skill among local managers to ensure the align with global value while adopting to local needs. Finally, periodic review of the decentralized model can help identify area of optimize and risk management. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Marufa Shah Samira. My student ID is 23019-419. Now I'm going to talking about the conclusion of the study. It's slide number 10. In conclusion, Coca-Cola's success demonstrates how decentralized structure can fuel global growth by enabling local innovation and responsiveness. While there are operational risks, the company's strong governance and strategic vision help maintain coherence across markets. For other multinational firms, Coca-Cola offers a valuable blueprint on how a balance autonomy with alignment to stay competitive in diverse global environments. Now I'm going to talking about the reference. The references supporting this research including both academic sources and industry reports. All citations follow the Harvard format and include influential scholars like Bartlett, Mintzberg, and Porter, and corporate reports from Coca-Cola and Deloitte. Thank you so much. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation provide valuable insight into how decentralized structure contribute to strategic success in multinational corporation. I now welcome any question or feedback.
Thank you.